Or should I go to the movies and watch Coming to America 2? Or stay home and watch Coming to America 24, Big Booty African Edition?
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Different ways your subconscious mind, spirit, speaks to you. Now, we all know that our subconscious mind speaks to us in symbols. These symbols can be transmuted to you in different ways and will sneak up on you like a sound effect.
Knock, knock!
Your spirit is always giving you the answers to your questions. The problem is we don't recognize the question we're asking, or we're not privy to the answer. Your questions are always asked consciously, or by that little voice in your head whispering, saying, am I doing right? Am I doing the right thing by taking this job? Is this the person I need in my life at this point in time? Or should I go to the movies and watch Coming to America 2? Or stay home and watch Coming to America 24, Big Booty African Edition? Well, here I'm going to give you some ways your subconscious mind, spirit, speaks to you. We all know the main ones, dreams. But let's talk about these symbols in your waking life. These symbols are in your waking life and can come in a variety of ways. Random animals you see that correlates to your question. Things you find in your path on the floor that comes to you, such as feathers. Billboards or pictures that give you answers. TV shows or TV commercials that show you a sign. And the many, many more symbols that come into your presence. But here are some not so obvious messages that answers your questions. Pain, music, and cravings. Let's do a pain example. Say I'm feeling unconfident about a situation, and my whisper says, you tripping, cut that shit out. And all of a sudden, I trip and bang my toe against the table. Well, that trip ain't no coincidence. And that pain you feeling is letting you know, cut that shit out. Cut that low vibrational negative thoughts out. Your ego is a lie. Let's do music. Say you're jamming your music in your car. Got it on shuffle. Feeling joyous. And your question to yourself is, should I go out tonight? And all of a sudden, your jam comes on. Oh, this is ladies' night, and I'm feeling right. Oh, this is ladies' night. Oh, what a night. Oh, what a night. How about cravings? Say you don't know what to do about your abusive boyfriend. He keeps being really abusive, verbally and physically. Every time he does something abusive, you get a craving for your old man's gumbo. Well, guess what that means? Call your daddy and get your ass out that relationship ASAP. These different ways your subconscious mind speaks to you is not going to be common sense. It might not make sense to anyone else. But you know what? You know who it does make sense to? The only person it's supposed to make sense to. You. Your own universe. Your spirit is going to speak to you in the way you will understand and pick up on the messages. It's up to you to be the detective and the mastermind of your own being. Wait, you hear that? It's speaking to you this way because it is you. Your true self minus his ego. Take control of your world and ask yourself a question. And power up your knowing by recognizing you're speaking to you. Dream wise.